Hi, yeah, my name is Paul Roux, and I'm a financial empowerment coach based in Cape Town, South Africa. I look at helping people essentially rewrite their money stories. Well, a big challenge for me was people not being able to see my face. I felt that there was a lot of disconnect around that, and people got less interested in the material. It was really interesting. What I loved was the fact that there was a camera on me that was being able to see my face and then also look at the presentation and how easily you could move things around the screen. There wasn't, everything wasn't fixed. There was movement, there was flexibility. The fact that I could see my own face and the people that I was presenting to could see my face too, that would be very helpful. And then obviously the whole thing around using a pen, which I never thought of actually, and it never crossed my mind. Although when I was presenting in group, I would be using a pen on a whiteboard, but I just thought, well, that's not going to happen using a PowerPoint presentation. But realizing you could buy a pen and a pad and actually doing that and circling things, making people, I guess, drawn to certain elements on the screen was very powerful. So those whole elements coming together in one place was very, very powerful for me and very effective. There's going to be a huge difference in people's response and the fact that they can see me and see the screen and being able to circle things. What I also like is the added bringing people's opinions and thoughts and bringing them into the presentation. So they're part of the presentation. It's not such a one-sided thing. It's multi-dimensional. They are able to interact as well, and I'm going to be using the pen to help with that. So that whole thing is going to be a very powerful thing, I think.